Hold on. That's my fire hat. What Olivia? Hey, what Olivia? Here we go.
That's just awesome. Jet clamping. That's
Your
about
kids
right.
are never going to want to go home, kid.
I know.
Let's stay in the celebrate here. I said, why I'm here? He said, because after that I'll start to miss Virginia.
Yeah. I'll be sick of these guys by then. I don't know how you can get sick of this.
I know. It's. Oh, he's just taking him for a ride around the property.
That thing's really not legal on the road.
Oh, all right.
It's just for parades.
Oh, okay. I'm surprised that old thing still starts, man. That thing's ancient.
Oh, Jeff and his boy worked on it.
Oh, all right.
They could get anything to run.
Really?
Oh,
nice.
God.